This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Open the boot and lift the luggage compartment floor panel. Rotate the fasteners 90 degrees anti-clockwise and unclip the battery cover from the right-hand side of the luggage compartment. Slacken the nut, then with a twisting motion, pull the negative lead clamp from the battery terminal. Position the clamp to one side to prevent accidental reconnection. Press the negative lead clamp firmly down over the battery terminal and tighten the nut. Maneuver the battery cover into position, then rotate the fasteners 90 degrees clockwise to secure it. Lower the floor panel and close the boot.